Superman, man of steel if it's stainless. What up, Charlie? He probably said that he famous. Heartbreak, 808, bass pump, shameless. How the fuck you fresh? Cape dress, great who gave this shit. Man, them niggas better look. I came for the throne in the zone, nigga shook. See, you a good nigga, camouflage foolery. Knowledge equals light, be the God's jewelry. And I love the shot, see me cry. Bunch of hating ass niggas, rather see me die. This is hands off, this the world premiere. Google me, look at us, got them girls in here, come on. This is drastic shit, it's too easy, believe me, I mastered this. Sucker nigga, old dirty on that bastard shit. Got that pain in my chest, I don't even laugh at shit. Whoa, blue trees, new breeze, I can flow. Gotta get the paper it gotta grow. And said he a gangster, gangsters got the glow. My other man's all's well, said he a mo, huh? Why I gotta calm down? Plus y'all made it evident y'all ain't fucking with me. In the street, pussy boy, hoe sucking for free. Spitfire, who be higher? Who be fucking with me? Look, so stop jocking my shit. We puff that fluffy lime green, look like broccoli shit. And if love equal wealth, yo, I'm bound to be rich. Married to the music, plus I call her my bitch. Yes, yes. Decapitate MCs, get a sword, cut my arm. Hip hop, I bleed till I'm dead, till I'm gone. To the song indeed. Put a hand on my chest, that be the thing I need. Oh, mama, please calm down. I'm addicted to the song, I don't wanna come down. All she wants is grandbabies, gave her pain instead. Even when I fell down, she let me lay my head. No, we refuse to lose. Had to pay for some karma cause the shit I do. And I ain't scared, motherfucker, I been political shit. It be subliminal, it's minimal, they riddle me with, huh? So check me, Kato, rap apostle, 20 años, New Jerusalem, vive mi hermano. Hip hop is fucked up, estoy muy cansado, yo. And I ain't dissing the church. Lemon pepper, catfish, either that or some perch. Scavenger, brandiger, man, it's stuck on my mind. And I quit eating swine, yo, just give me some time. Ooh-wee. Let me close the show. 45th bar, bitch, and I still got more. Only reason I'ma stop cause the beat ran out. They tried to murk me, it hurt me, it didn't pan out. Nah, I don't wanna come down till I'm on and I'm gone and I run this town, huh? I don't wanna come down, this the world premiere, baby, I don't wanna come down, nah. I don't wanna come down till I'm on and I'm gone and I run this town, nah. I don't wanna come down, this the world premiere, baby, I don't wanna come down, yeah.